Hi guys, I'm going to give you an introduction on how tennis is played. Tennis is played with rackets and ball on court. Tennis is played in many forms: singles, doubles, mixed doubles, and team event. Today we'll discuss how tennis singles is played. Tennis singles is played only on red area of court is used for tennis singles. The rest of the area is used for doubles that we'll discuss later. Point is start with service. For each point, a player has two services. Player 1 has to serve from the red area, and if it falls on black area, known as service block, then serve is right, else it is fault. If first serve is fault, then he try it second time, called as second serve. If second serve is fault, then point is given to opponent, that is player 2. Serve is followed by regular game, that is player 1 return ball in blue area and player 2 return ball in yellow area. Point can be acquired in three ways. First, if your opponent hit ball in net. Second, if he returns ball outside the playing area. And third, if he return ball after two bounces. That is, you have to return either in single bounce or directly. So if any of three cases happens, then the point is yours. Every game starts with 0-0 points, and 0 is called as love in tennis scores. So match starts with love all, that is 0 all. If you take first point, your score becomes 15 and game score. Remember, if you take first point, then game score becomes 15 love. If you take second point, then score becomes 30 love. In second point, you have to serve from left side to the right side serve block. And it happens alternatively. You have to serve first from right and the next from left, then next from right, then next from left, and so on. If you take second point, score becomes 30 love, that is game score. If you take another point, then game becomes 40 love. If your opponent takes a point, then becomes 40-15. If he takes another point, it becomes 40-30. If you take a point after 40, then the game is yours. The game is yours. And if he takes point at 40-30, that means if score is 40 all, then the score is not said as 40 all. It is called as deuce. In deuce, if you take a point, you have advantage. And after advantage, if your opponent wins the next point, then game score is again deuce. But if after advantage you take a point, then the game is yours and you win a game. And set score, you win a game and set score becomes 1 love. You have to win 6 games with difference of at least 2 games to win a set. And if you win a set, then match score becomes 1-0. Difference of 2 games means 6-4, 6-3, 6-2, 6-1 or 6 love. If set score is 6-5, then set is not yours. You have to maintain difference of 2 games. Then you'll play another game, and if you win the game, then set score becomes 7-5 and the set is yours. But if your opponent wins the game, then set score becomes 6-all, and that situation is known as tie break. In that situation, you have to play a tie break. That is, you have to win 7 normal points. In this, you don't call 15 love, 30 love. Simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you win 7 points with a difference of at least 2, that is 7-5 minimum. It can be 7-4, 7-3, 7-2, 7-1, 7 love. But it should be 7-5. If score is 7-6, then you don't win the set. You have to make it 8-6 or 9-7 or 10-8. Difference of 2. If you win this, then the set is yours and you win a set. And match score becomes 1-0. Match score becomes 1-0. So basically, you have to win a set. And in a set, you have to win 6 games. And in a game, you have to win 4 points. That is 15, 30, 40 and game. The sides of court are changed when sum of game of every set is odd. That is, if 1-0, then sum is 1, then side will change. If set score is 2-1, then sum is 3, that is odd, side will change. If 3-0, 5-4 and so on. So that is all about tennis, and I'll tell you that generally tournaments are played best of 3 sets. That means you have to win 2 sets to win a match. But the major tournaments like Wimbledon, French Open, Australian Open, US Open are played best of 5 sets. That means you have to win 3 sets, and in a set you have to win 6 games, and in a game you have to win 4 points. They have to work really hard for winning a major tournament, and they should be because they get $2 million for this. And I hope concepts are pretty clear now and you can enjoy tennis. So go watch tennis and enjoy tennis. Once again, I would like to clear if you have any doubt. The points showing in the table are like 15, 30, 40. That are the point of a game. If you are born to win a game, you have to win 4 points. So that is a game score. And if you win a game, so 2-1, 3-1, these are game score. But actually it's a set score. Because you want to win a set, then you have to win 6 games. So the middle one is set score. And match score, that is if you want to win a match, you have to win 3 sets. So this is showing the set score. Match score shows set score shows game score, and game score shows points. That's it.